Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a updated hair tutorial. So I'm gonna do my half up, half down because I haven't done it in so long and I needed to do something with my hair because it's been straight for a couple weeks and it's on its last leg. It's dirty, it needs to be washed. So why not try to do something? So I'm just parting my hair, half in the back and then half in the front because the back will be down and then the top half will be like up. So now we're just going to get the top half out the way. Here's my part. It's never straight, but that's okay. So for the back half, we are going to incorporate some clip-ins, and I'm using these ones from BetterLengths. These are the Kinky Coarse clip-ins, and I have 20 inches. I actually dyed my clip-ins. They did come like a natural brown color, but I had to dye them black because my hair is black. So I'm just starting off with parting my hair. That's how I do my clip-ins. I know there's lots of different ways you can wear your clip-ins. Some people braid their hair up like they're getting a sew-in, but for me, I just like to blend my hair with the clip-ins. So I'm just gonna go section by section. I'll part my hair, make sure the clip-in length is perfect for that section. For these, I'm gonna straighten them. These are Kinky Coarse. They do have, that kinky texture to it, but they're really soft. So I'm just going to straighten them a little bit, not too much because I do still want it to be fluffy, not super bone straight. So yeah, I just straighten it and then I clip them in, and I just, keep going up until I can't go up anymore. So I'm just trying to check and see what my hair is looking like. I did get my ends trimmed, well, more like a cut. So my ends are a little bit more straighter than normal, so I do have to use a few more to fill in the gap and make sure that my hair is not peeking through because we do want this to look as natural as possible. So I'm just gonna go back in and add a few more clips. Okay, so this is the last piece that I'm going to add. Out of the 10-piece set, I only used 5 for my back half, and that gave me a really nice full natural look. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I do have a 20-inch set and they are pretty long, but I'm pretty happy with the outcome. Okay, so now we're moving on to the front half. Since my hair is pretty dirty and it's almost time to be washed, I am going to go in with product. I don't normally use product on my hair when it's like really clean, but like I said, it's almost wash day, so I'm going to go in with some edge control. Not a whole lot. I'm just going to make sure my edges are covered and slicked because the rest of my hair is still pretty straight, just not my edges. I've been going through so many edge controls and this one is probably my favorite. It smells really, really good and it's really stiff, so it really lays down those really thick and stubborn edges like mine. The edge control is by Sunny Isles. It's the Jamaican black castor oil. If I find a link for it, I'll list it down below, but literally this is like my fave. I had to go and buy like 5 of them because it is hard trying to find the edge control. One I was using, it started leaving like a white residue on my hair even when my hair was clean. This one doesn't do that at all. So now I'm just going to go in with a little hard bristle brush and brush all the edge control in and brush my hair up and get my ponytail nice and tight. So for my ponytail, I'm going to add 1 clip in because I do want the texture to match the back. I don't want my front half to be so straight. So I'm just going to clip this around my ponytail and then I'm going to twist my hair and the clip-in hair together and just wrap it into a bun. So as I'm wrapping my hair around, I'm making sure to feel for the clip-in just to make sure that the hair does cover that base because we don't want to give our secret out, okay? We don't want everybody to know that we got some help. And then we're just going to secure the hair in place with a couple of bobby pins. So I'm just going to go back in with my flat iron and just flatten or straighten all the hair together just to make sure it's seamless and my hair is stuck with the clip-in hair. So this is the last step. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of edge control and just kind of make my edges look a little fancy. So we're going to do a little bit of swoops. You guys know that my hairline basically touches my eyebrow, so I don't really have room to do anything but swoop it back into my bun. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like these hair extensions, I will list all of the information in the description box for you guys. It honestly doesn't take this hairstyle long at all to do. When I'm not filming it, I could probably do this hairstyle 7 to 8 minutes. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.